Hi guys, it's George here again. I want to show you how you can use Remini app to generate beautiful pictures. So I've already opened the Remini app on my phone, but I want to show you how you can get the Remini app. Go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and search for Remini. When you search for Remini, as you can see here on the screen, when you search for Remini, download the app that looks exactly like this. Yeah, so download the app that looks exactly like this, Remini AI Photo Enhancer. And after you've installed the Remini app, simply go under that Remini app. When you've opened it, you'll see Enhance AI Photos, AI Avatars, and AI Filters. Now we are going to be working with AI Photos. In a previous video, I showed us what we can do with the Remini web app. So I've already imported my pictures, because when you go to AI Photos, you'll be asked to import your pictures. Please select the right pictures. Up there, you can see the kind of photos they recommend. They call it the good photos. Yeah. And down there, the one they call bad photos. When you select images that reveals details of your face very well, the AI model will be able to train itself using the images you've provided. So when you don't provide the right images, your pictures will not really resemble you that much. So these are some of the selfies I've uploaded, and I'm going to use it to train my AI model. All right. So after you've imported your pictures, or after you've uploaded your picture, you click on continue and you pick your gender, whether you are female or whether you are male or whether you are others. All right. So when you've done that, you pick the model you want. So here we have a lot of them, and you can scroll up, you can scroll down, you look for you look for something near or close to what you're looking for, and you select it. So I'm going to use this model for now. Let's see what it looks like. It's going to take like 6 minutes for us to generate this photo. My photos has been generated. So as you can see here, this is what the AI was able to come up with. So I'm going to choose another model and generate yet another image. And after I have generated the image, this is what it looks like. I can go on and on and on to choose any model I want and try anything I want. But one thing you must understand is that this AI works with the pictures you have trained it with. So when selecting the pictures you want to use, you need to be very careful about it. And that's why you can also delete the AI model and start all over again. And let me add that I'm using the paid version of this app. So if you see any restriction on your own free version, that's possibly because you are not using the paid version.